The beauty of physical evidence is that it tells a story. We look at the firearm, we look at the blood, there were cartridges left behind, projectiles were found within the toilet. Physical evidence cannot lie.
Let's go back to your evidence. What is not in dispute that you held the view that those wooden pieces, and to quote you, could have shed some light on your investigation.
It could have, my lady, but I was happy with what I saw on the 30th of April, that I could explain the marks on the door and how it linked to the cricket bat.
But what you also said, coming back to this, is that you were only focused on the marks caused by the cricket bat.
That's correct, my lady. The marks that I suspected to have been caused by the cricket bat.
On the door?
On the door, my lady.
That was your sole investigation?
That's true, my lady.
And anything else, all the additional marks, you ignored?
I ignored those that I could not immediately link with the cricket bat, because I know there was other investigations going on different issues on the door, and it was not my intention to investigate other marks.
How many positions did you assume in testing the mark and to pretend to hit the door?
My lady, as I can explain, if I can explain to the court, I first tried different positions and different possibilities, and only when I actually got the position that fitted with the cricket bat, only then that we took pictures of the cricket bat.
Even on what was put to you yesterday by Mr. Roux, taking up an unnatural position, can you cause those two marks in the angles that you indicate the bat was, standing at the exact same spot?
No, my lady. It's not possible to cause those two marks standing at the exact same spot.
I took a specific note of an answer you gave to Advocate Roux pertaining to what happened first, the shots or the bat. You said the bullet hole was there before the panel was broken.
That's correct, my lady.
Can you say scientifically, if we take the first mark, if that was caused before the shots were fired?
My lady, scientifically, I would not think that it would be possible to say whether that small mark, if I'm correct now, if you're referring to the small mark there on the side, I would not be able to say that that was there before the shots were fired. No.
Ons het ongeveer 4:15, 3:45. Min of meer raak 'n paar minute vroeër later wees, het ons op die toneel gearriveer.
At around 3:55, we then arrived at the scene. As I got into the portal of the house, that's when a lady paramedic approached me.
Sy het my meegedeel dat die persoon, die liggaam wat daar gelê het, reeds oorlede was met hulle aankoms.
She then informed me that the body of the person which was laying there, or she told me that the person had died on arrival, on their arrival.
Die paramedic het vir my, ek en sy het tesame die handdoeke en die ander, meestal was my handdoeke gewees het wat die liggaam bedek het, verwyder.
The paramedic and I then removed the clothing, most of them hand clothings removed from the body, which were covered in the body.
So you said that you and the paramedic had a look at the body. Have you established any injuries?
Paramediese beampte het hom uitgewys eerder. Daar was 'n kopwond.
The paramedic showed to me that there was a head wound.
Daar was 'n wond aan die regtersy van die oorledene.
There was a wound on the right-hand side of the waist.
Daar was 'n wond aan die regterarm net bokant die elleboog.
There was a wound on the right arm, just up above the elbow.
En dan aan die linkerhand die middelvinger. As ek reg kan onthou, tussen die middelvinger en die wysvinger was daar ook 'n wond.
And also on the left arm, on the left hand, there was also a wound between the middle finger and the pointing finger.
Yes.
Dit was al, ek het op daai stadium het ons nie die liggaam omgedraai nie. Die liggaam het net so bly lê.
As it is in photograph 12.
Dis net soos op fotograaf. In die kombuisgedeelte het die beskuldigde 'n blanke wit man, later te bekend aan my as Oscar Pretorius, gestaan.
In the kitchen, there stood the accused, a white male, who was later known to me as Oscar Pistorius.
Hy was baie emosioneel op daardie stadium. Ek het hom gevra wat gebeur het.
He was emotional at that stage, and then I asked him as to what happened.
I don't want to interfere all the time, but it actually was very emotional, not emotional.
Very. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, sir, you asked him, and
I asked him what happened, but he didn't answer me.
when you got there, this is what you saw.
Dit is soos ons dit gevind het hier.
This is how we found it, my lady.
Now, on the first tile, the end of the first tile on the left, can you identify that object?
Die eerste teel in die middel van die fotograaf, in die middel van die foto, julle is 'n bloedspattel, en aan die linkerkant, as jy sien aan die linkerkant, die tweede deel teen die muur, op sy voorste hoek, was daar ook 'n koeldoppie.
On photograph 86, there's a close-up at photograph 87, am I correct?
Dis reg eerder, dis die eerste splinters as jy in die badkamer in sou kom.
That is correct. Those are the first pieces when you come into the bathroom.
Then photograph 100.
Dis die cricket bat wat ons voor die wasbak gekry het op die grond.
This is the cricket bat which we found in front of the basin on the floor.
Met die handdoeke en die bloed wat daar was.
With the towels and the blood that was there.
And
that is the cricket bat we found in the scene.
And between the bat and the towels.
En dan die patroondoppie weer eens tussen die handdoeke en die cricket bat.
And the bullet cartridge between the towel and the cricket bat.
And the blood there, you can still remember being as it is on this photograph.
Dis soos dit was. Ja. Die handdoeke op foto 88 is dieselfde handdoeke op foto 103 sy regterkant. Op hierdie foto soos hy hier was, is die vuurwapen nog steeds gekop.
On the photo as it is there, it is still cocked.
And the hammer is back.
Hammer is back.
So that's a door to the toilet.
Dit is die reg.
That is correct. The door and the window, and at the back, that's the toilet.
Die gedeelte wat aan die linkerkant toe wys, is die voorkant van die toilet deur.
Watch, like, tweet, post, follow, engage. Channel 199, the Oscar Pistorius Trial, a carte blanche channel, only on DSTV.